Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking Salmon Sinigang. Let's do it! Here are the ingredients. We have onions, tomatoes, ginger, salt and pepper. We're gonna use tamarind soup base mix, banana peppers, and bokchoy. And today we're gonna use salmon head. So let's get started. In our pot here, we have water here. We're gonna let it boil. But we can also put now our onions, tomatoes, ginger, and we'll just let this boil and have the tomatoes and onions cooked before we put the fish and other ingredients. Now let's check on our tomatoes and okay, it's beautiful. Now we can add now our let's put like 2 spoons of fish sauce or salt. It's your choice. Ground pepper, and we can put our tamarind mix now. All right, let's put our tamarind mix and cook this for 1 minute before we put our fish. Okay. Now let's check it again. Wow. We can put our salmon now. This will really taste real good. I love salmon because this is very healthy fish compared to other fish out there. And, okay. We can put some more water. Okay. And we will add our banana pepper. Okay, there you go. Then cook this for, I should say, 10-15 minutes, and we can put our bokchoy later. Let's cover this. Now let's check on our fish, on our salmon here, sinigang. Wow, this is cooked already. So this time we're gonna put our bokchoy, and we'll just cook this for a few minutes, or even I should say 2 minutes, and this will be done. Here is our finished product, Salmon Sinigang. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you and have a good day.